The Alerts and Logs menu allows admins to set up email alerts informing them of significant events in their accounts, as well as a complete audit log for user access and use. These alerts can be applied at a group or account level and notify admins of events such as subscription expiry or unauthorized changes in one or more devices' configuration. The Insights menu item provides shareable reports for activity related to the account, network, security, and health. The Failover report provides an estimated cost savings generated by having a failover solution in place. The NetCloud Summary report shares high-level insights of device status, cellular health and performance, and data usage. These reports and others leverage the cellular intelligence built into Ericsson Cradlepoint endpoints.